Hello, today I'm in Opel Astra. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To enable cruise control, firstly accelerate to desired speed, then press this button, and now press the set button. So tilt this panel downwards. Now you will use cruise control. You can see that cruise control is enabled on the icon right here. If you want to increase speed of the cruise control, tilt this panel upwards. To decrease it, tilt it downwards. To cancel it, press this button. And that's basically it. If you want to disable cruise control, press this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.